welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. She about to do that right now. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, I was just going to go into it and ramble, but if you all have been a part of this channel for a time or 2 or 20, first of all, I greatly appreciate you. But my tray video looks a little bit different because I'm not rocking and holding it and rolling it. I'm not rocking it and holding it and rolling it. I got a new little gadget, so I'm hoping you all enjoy this new little gadget. It allows me to be hands-free a little bit more.
No more hands.
And I finally figured it out, I think. I've had the tool for a little bit, but I think I figured it out. So we're going to see if it works. Let me know your thoughts. So let's get into it. So this is the October tray. And let me tell you, family, I've been thinking about kind of like a little bit more dark, sexy, moody, gourmand-ish, vanilla a lot. So that is kind of what this tray is. But I have black opium, okay, and that's from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is Le Parfum. So if you are new to this channel, I just show you all what's on my tray, what I'm going to be rocking and rolling with for the month of October. We really don't go over notes, but we put the notes in the little corner so you can see the notes. But this is basically vanilla bomb, okay? And so it has vanilla in the top, the middle, the end. So, honey, if you like a good old vanilla, okay, all that to say, if you like good vanilla, hit this one up. Then we have Olympea, and this is Paco Rabanne, and this is the intense version. I just got done talking about this one. It was a part of my oldie but goodie. And honey, when I say if you like a good old sexy fragrance, okay, if you can't get enough of the sexiness, you want to shut them down, okay, quit talking about me, because I quit talking mess. I know I smell good. If you want one of those, that is the one that you want, honey, when I tell you it is so beautiful, so sexy, so warm. It's great, great, great for the fall. Highly recommend if you're looking for like kind of an ambery, but just so, it's so good. Try it out. Please, please try it out. Another one that was on my oldie but goodie video. This was Dolce and Gabbana, the only one, and this is the Intense. Another beauty. I'm not going to, again, get deep into it because I already did a whole video on it. And then the other one I have is Gucci Guilty, and this is Absolute. And that is a wonderful, fruity, kind of a dark berry, black currant type of fragrance. So if you like that type of vibe, that is going to be so good. I know my auntie Irene, she said, she was, you know, the Gucci Bloom is just not hitting it, okay? Let's move past the Gucci Bloom is what she said. Y'all know I like to paraphrase. She said, go past the Gucci Bloom. I'm still looking for a Gucci. I think, auntie, this is going to be a good one. Gucci Guilty. Absolute. I think that will be right up your alley. I mean, she be dressing down, okay? So catch her on Gorgeously Irene. If you have not caught her yet, honey, that is a baddie, okay, right there, okay? She be dressing down and such a beautiful woman, but I think Gucci Guilty, honey, if you like a good dark berry, it's gonna rock your world, okay? Next, we have a couple of fragrances that I really have not dived heavy into, but I am so excited, ready to go ahead and do the things for, you know, October season. Okay, raise your hand. Yes, okay, here we go. So we have Wanted Girl, and this is by Night. Honey, this is your, kind of your dark, another dark berry type of scent. I've heard this on actually quite a few channels. Okay, let me try to think. Simply Aisha, I believe, talked about this one. Who else done talked about her lately? I'm sorry, I can't think right now, but there's been quite a few people that has talked about her. So Simply Aisha, I believe she said that to her it gives her grape soda, I want to say. And I don't know why that drew me in, and I wanted to be a part of the grape soda, but clearly I wanted to be a part of the grape soda and it's on my tray. Okay, yeah. If y'all can make it make sense for your sis, please do. But okay. But I'm going to get into it. We will talk about it more, of course, through this month. But I'm so excited to have this a part of my tray. And I have Finery, and this is Sweet on the Inside. Okay, you can find Finery fragrances in Target, aka Target. Get your life. Okay, it's Target. We dress up so many words and names. Is it just me? Oh well. Okay, so Target has these fragrances, and I told you all, like, I think what I'm going to do is kind of like pair these with a lot of my different fragrances. And as we're going into this fall season, I think that Sweet on the Outside is going to pair really well with a lot of my kind of vanilla-y tobacco type of fragrances, okay? And I was thinking about pairing it with this beauty back here. Excusez-moi, my deviceness. But I have vanilla-y tobacco, okay? Vanilla-y tobacco. Either way, okay, that is from the fragrance world, and that is a dupe of Tom Ford's vanilla tobacco, I believe. Either way, I was not a fan, of Tom Ford's vanilla tobacco or tobacco vanilla, whatever it is. I wasn't really a fan when I first smelled it, so I still wanted it. I just wasn't a fan enough to just pay all that money, to be honest with you all. So I decided to, pay a cheaper cost and give me a dupe and call it a day, and hopefully it smells a little bit similar. Either way, I'm going to pair it with Finery Sweet on the Outside because it does give this sweetness in this fragrance, and I'm hoping that it will sweeten it up because you all know I'm definitely a gourmand girly. I'm a part of Gourmand Girly Club. Is there a club? If it's not, we just need to make a club. Anyway, let's make that a thing. Anyway, yeah, and so I just wanted to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. So I'm thinking that's going to be kind of my combination that's on my tray. Another one that I got from the Fragrant World. If I said house, I'm sorry. But Fragrant World, you all know I get excited. But this is a dupe for Maison Margiela's, right? And this is like the Satin Oud one of the MFK brand, and this is Barakkat Satin Oud. Now, I have smelt the original. I have no problem, okay, with MFK. Just as a brand, it's like superb, right? It's just famous. Baccarat 540. We got all the things, right? Satin Oud was just, sometimes I liked it and sometimes I didn't. And I really don't want to pay for a lot. I don't want to pay that high of a price for something I think I like and then the next day I don't like it. I'm just not about that life. If y'all are about that life, cool. I'm just not about that life. I really want, things that I really enjoy, that I am loving, and not the kind of like a double dutch, you on the side and you trying to, come in, you trying to find a beat, and then you go in and then the ropes clash. It's kind of that in and out thing, and that probably made no sense. I know. Work with me. But all that to say, I am enjoying the Barakkat Satin Oud version. I love it. And so I'm not going to get the MFK version, but if someone gifted it to me, I wouldn't be mad at it. But I'm not going to put my coins on it. All that to say, I'm just not going to buy it. Why can't I just say that? It's okay. Just subscribe. You know how your sister does. I'm going to keep moving on. So we have Narcotica, and this is Dulce Diablo. Honey, that chocolate, this gourmand girly right there. I don't know if she the queen, but she in the castle. Okay? She done made it. She's in the castle. And if you say that she's not in the castle, I don't want to say that you're lying.
Oh man, you lying. You ain't never met Martin Luther King.
But I'm just gonna look away. Okay? Just gonna look away. She made it to the castle. Okay? She is up in the palace. I absolutely love this apricot type of chocolatey, vanilla. It's just all the things. If you like a good fruit, but you want to feel that fall, that gourmand, you gonna visit Narcotica, because you want to be in the palace, the castle, the mansion upon the mansion. And if you don't want to be in there, I'm just gonna look away, because I don't talk about family. I'm just gonna look away. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna look away. Okay. Next, we got sugar leather. Nude. And sugar leather, that is another beautiful. And when I tell you, if you are turned off by leather or the sound of leather, the feel of leather, I love a good faux leather for the fall. I bring all my faux leather and more out. Anyway, not to talk about clothes, but anyway, we got sugar leather. And when I say the note of leather is not like the key in this, okay? To me, if you also are a gourmand girly, I would give this a try. If you're looking for something that is definitely not food scent, but if you're looking for something sweeter, but something sexy and dark, this is a hint of sex. This ain't like whipped chain, you know what I'm saying? I don't get whips and chain, but I get like a hint, like you ain't seen me coming. Like I wore my black dress, I walked in that room, my heels, my stilettos, and I came in and you thought you knew what I was about to do, but you really didn't. It's one of those, you're looking the part. It's definitely a good date night. I think it would be a good fall date night. And this wouldn't be my everyday. It wouldn't be my everyday. Could be yours, but this is not my everyday. I don't have this everyday vibe. Again, working from home, you don't have that sexy everyday vibe. Those that work from home know. We know what it is, and that's not it. You might work from home, have a Finery suite on the outside. You might have a black Opium, led Parfum working from home. You might have a Kayali invite only type of vibe. You might have something like that would be your work from home scent, right? Your everyday scent. But this sugar leather, that's for that date night. That again, you want the second night, the third night, the fourth night. You're married to him. It's the boo. You're engaged to him. You want to be engaged to, it's one of them movements, Yeah. Okay, I'm a movie. Okay. And then, last but certainly not least, I have Majestic Sugar. Now, Sharita M here on YouTube. Now, I'm going to paraphrase because I forgot word for word what she said. Now, she said that if you get this fragrance, and I'm again paraphrasing, but this is what she said, okay? She said what had happened. The man is going to be in my neck, smelling me in my neck if you want this fragrance. That's what she said.
How do I know if she wants me to take her?
Ask her. That's what she said. Go back to that video. That's what she said that this fragrance is going to do. That is going to have the man in my neck.
Sexy time. Yeah.
And I said, so, where is the man in the neck fragrance at? Is it overseas? It was. Because, we know Sherita M. It was overseas. I knew that. Before she even said where. I knew clicking on her link, I knew where it was going to be. Over the seas. So I got it, cross country. For the fragrance to be in my neck. You want me to show it to you again? Because some of y'all want the man in your neck. Here you go. Write that down. Yeah. Majestic Sugar is the man in the neck. Now, I haven't tried it yet. But I'm going to test it. I'm going to see if the man is in my neck. Okay? And I'm going to come back and let you know. She probably was right. I haven't even tested yet. But we're going to see. But last and certainly not least, hidden in the back, we have Fenty. We have the controversial Fenty, and this is the fragrance from Rihanna. And when I say there are people that love that fragrance, let me show it to you again. We'll put the notes up, right? Yeah, there are people that love this fragrance, and there are people that totally can't stand this fragrance to the T. And I'm going to even say, I have heard some people even describe that fragrance as like bug spray. They say it smells like bug spray. It smells like off. Cleaning products. And I was hesitant. I'm going to tell you, I was very hesitant of getting the bug spray, right? Because who wants to smell like bug spray? Not raising my hand to smell like bug spray, but obviously you see it on my tray. And so clearly I like the bug spray. Moral of the story, clearly. She liked this type of bug spray because this gave me a little bit of berries. It gave me a little deeper. I like the berries. I like the black currant berries. I like the plum berries. Is plum a berry? No, plum is a fruit. Okay, but I like the grapes, the juice, and all the things. Okay, so you kind of see a little trend here on my tray if you haven't noticed. I like the berries. Okay, and then, to me it was definitely different and unique, but it gave me this warm, dark berry sassiness that it was like, take me home. And I obliged. I said, okay, fine, take you home. I'm in Sephora. I'm gonna take you home. You say take you home, take me home. Okay, great. So it's on my tray. I'm gonna wear it more. We'll get into it more. But caution yourself, because you might think it smells like bug spray and off. So I'm just telling you, I like it. Not everybody roll with it. So proceed with caution. Your sister's always going to tell you the truth, right? Proceed with the caution. Don't be blind by that, okay? No matter who try to hype you up on it, just tell them no. Unless you like me and you like, I don't care. I want to smell like the bug spray. Because I like it. Well, that is all, family, for my October tray. What are you wearing, rocking, and rolling with for the month of October? Your sis would like to know. Hello? We is in each other's business. We see each other, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you all are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.